the new Lotus ELETRE was unveiled. It is positioned as a medium SUV. The delivery will start in March 2023, and all models will have a unified configuration. Its fastest acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is 2.95 seconds. The maximum cruising range of CLTC is 650 km, and the battery can be charged from 10% to 80% within 20 minutes at the fastest. In terms of appearance, Lotus ELETRE adopts a front face similar to a sports car. The whole series is equipped with active air intake grille as standard, which can help the vehicle dissipate heat when it is turned on, and can increase battery life by 15 km in downforce by 22.5 kg when it is turned off. Under the fierce front face, the hood air channel and hidden air channel reduce the air resistance encountered in front of the car body. The combination of two sets of penetrating air channels on the upper and lower air curtains on the front face, combined with the air channel on the side fenders, can skillfully sort out the speed of the car during galloping airflow. At the rear of the vehicle, there are two air ducts designed on both sides of the rear enclosure of the new car. The air ducts run through from the D-pillar of the vehicle to the rear, forming a good aerodynamic effect. There is also a double-layer large-size rear diffuser device under the rear enclosure of the new car, which can well rectify the air flowing through the chassis and increase downforce. The new car also uses an active electric rear spoiler, which can generate up to 112.5 kg of downforce when the spoiler is opened. The through-type taillights show the minimalist design style of electric vehicles. In terms of interior, the new car also adopts the minimalist design style of electric vehicles and adds a large number of carbon fiber panels, leather materials, and Alcantara material for the roof and doors. The materials are quite particular. The leather wrapping of the steering wheel is combined with the carbon fiber material, which will have a good grip. In front of the main driver and the co-pilot, both are equipped with a 12.6-inch long strip full LCD display, which mainly displays vehicle driving information, and the co-pilot displays entertainment information. For 128-line laser radars are installed on the whole body of the new car, one on the front wheel eyebrows on both sides, one on the front, rear and center of the roof, and they are all retractable designs, so that the vehicle does not need to worry about high power and low wind resistance. Affects aerodynamic performance. The car is also equipped with 12 ultrasonic radars, 2 4D imaging millimeter wave radars, and 4 angular millimeter wave radars, allowing ELETRE to have a powerful full-scene perception capability, 2 Nvidia Orin X chips, and 508 TOPS computing power. Road sections and parking lots realize high-level assisted driving capabilities.